Welcome to Arkham. This is our guide to trading perpetual pairs. These are different from trading spot pairs, in which you buy and sell the actual cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. In perpetuals trading, also known as futures trading, you trade a contract tied to Bitcoin's price. This allows you to potentially profit from price moves in either direction, going long if you think the price will rise, or short if you believe it will fall. It means you can trade Bitcoin's price without actually owning it. Once you have made a deposit, find perpetual futures markets on the Arkham Exchange by clicking Trade, then USDT Perps. Then, choose the contracts you would like to trade from this list. While you are here, look at the top bar for important data. Mark price, the reference price used to calculate profit, loss, and liquidation. Index price, an average price of the underlying asset from multiple exchanges. Funding rate, a periodic payment between longs and shorts to keep the perpetual contract in line with the spot price. Next funding, the countdown to the next time the funding rate will be applied. 24-hour volume, the total trading volume for the contract over the last 24 hours. Front and center is the price chart, which shows you how the contract price has changed over time. You can switch between different time frames, like 1 minute or 1 day, and even add technical indicators to help you decide when to enter or exit a trade. Next, check out the Buy/Sell panel on the far right. This is where you open or close your perpetual futures positions. Here's how you do it. Pick Limit if you want a specific entry price, or Market if you want your order filled immediately. Choose how much leverage you would like to use, for example 1x, 5x, or 10x. Higher leverage can lead to bigger wins or losses. It essentially allows you to borrow money to place a larger size of trade. Enter how many perpetual contracts you would like to trade, or how much USDT you would like to use for the trade. If you want, add a take profit or stop loss to lock in gains or limit losses automatically. Finally, hit buy or long if you think the price will go up, or sell or short if you think it'll go down. To the right, you'll see the order book. Green entries are buy orders, long positions, and red entries are sell orders, short positions. Each row shows how much for the perpetual contracts people are willing to trade at different prices. It's a quick view of supply and demand. Below that is recent trades, the latest buys and sells happening in real time. This feed can give you a sense of the market's short-term momentum. At the bottom, you will find positions, open orders, trigger orders, order history, and trade history. Positions shows your open contracts, entry price, and your unrealized profit or loss. Open orders lists your limit or stop orders waiting to be filled. History tabs track the trades you've made or orders you've placed. In the wallet section on the bottom right, you can check how much USDT you have available as margin. Margin is the money you put up as collateral to borrow against for trading. Keep an eye on your margin. If a trade moves against you too much, you'll risk liquidation, the loss of your margin. Thank you for watching, and best of luck.